Sales reviews, features, pricing, and alternative, AnyBiz. Discover the unique features, advantages, and disadvantages of sales, and compare them with top alternatives like AnyBiz to make an informed choice. Sales, founded in 2018, is a dynamic sales enablement platform specializing in automation and AI. It streamlines sales operations for medium to large companies by automating tasks, offering real-time analytics, and customizable sales bots. Sales doesn't offer a free trial, immediate sign-up, or transparent pricing on its website. Prospective clients must schedule a demo to access the platform, which might not be ideal for those preferring to explore costs and products independently. This approach could pose a drawback for users comparing different sales enablement systems. Sales features sale bots for automated prospecting and personalized messaging, robust data management ensuring accuracy, engagement tools for automated interactions, tailored content generation, and real-time analytics for informed decision-making. Sales impresses with its seamless automation of client interactions, responsive customer service that values user feedback, intuitive scheduling of meetings post-lead generation, and efficient handling of extensive cold outreach efforts. Sales faces challenges with contact relevance and diminishing response rates over time. Limited customization options for outreach and email formatting may lead to inappropriate communications. Users find the platform's reporting lacks transparency, and the initial setup process is complex and time-intensive. Sales boasts a robust 4.5-star rating from 126 reviews on G2, highlighting its strong performance in functionality and customer service. Its lack of reviews on Capterra and Trustpilot may indicate a newer presence in the market or a more focused user base. Consider AnyBiz as an alternative to sales for advanced AI-driven sales agents, 24/7 operation with global engagement, comprehensive data analysis, cost-effectiveness without SDRs, and seamless CRM integration. Ideal for maximizing lead generation efforts with automated, personalized solutions. Sales automates sales processes with features like automated bots and real-time analytics, enhancing efficiency. AnyBiz offers advanced AI sales agents and comprehensive personalization, making it a compelling alternative for businesses aiming to optimize lead generation and sales processes. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.